Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly and Sheldon Lehman and Lucy Lehman, and I want to show you this terrific product. It's called the Birddy Smart Birdhouse, and it's a really terrific product for those of you that love watching birds. So, Shell, we started putting this together yesterday, and some of the features are, I want to show them, I think, what do you think, the camera first? I want to show them the camera first to show them, like, I want to show you why this has the wow factor. So there's a camera inside here, and I'll show you kind of how it's attached. There's a little, like a little black rubber holder, and what happens is this is going to give you a live stream of the birds that come into the house. And so it's charged up. We first charged it up. It comes with its own charger, so we gave it its initial charge. But now it's charged by this cord, and I'm going to let Sheldon tell you about how the solar power issue works here, or the solar power part of it works. So we're going to put this back on.
And this is a little antenna for Wi-Fi?
Right. So we make sure that the Wi-Fi, can really, extend back here. So it's important that you have the Wi-Fi.
So also it has a long wire to extend the solar panel. So if you're not keeping it on this, you can take this screw off, screw it onto here. And then depending, like, if you're putting it near your house or something, you can take screws and either put it into the side of the house or you can put it into...
Like you can mount it to a tree, right.
Like that, because you get the sun and then you can angle it.
And then you can put the tree, you can put the birdhouse wherever you want it, but now you've got your solar power wherever the solar power.
You have about over 5 feet.
Right, yeah, okay.
And then,
so that's how the solar panel works, but this is kind of cool too. Well, there's a few features. Let me just show you this part. When we first got this, it had like a coating over this, like a sticky peely thing over it, and then it gives you directions, very easy to follow directions. We simply peeled it off, and it's got like a little peek-through feature that you can, if you want to take a look at the birds here. However, sometimes when you come close to a birdhouse, the problem is the birds fly away. But it kind of gives them some sunlight so they're not in here, without getting sunshine, which is kind of a nice feature. And Sheldon saw that it was a very easy, what do you call it? Like just like a little pole that you put together
so
to
for
mount
this stand, you have a stand here, and if you turn the birdhouse on its side, this mounts like this, and you put the 4 screws in.
And once again, this comes with easy to follow directions. Like, we figured this out in 15, 20 minutes.
So small screws here go into there. You put the 4 screws in, and then these are the screws to mount it. You can see they go in. You can slide it up. It's the anchor if you need to anchor it into a wall, or you can just use the screw if you're putting it directly into a piece of wood. But one of the things I love about this is they also make a post that goes with it. And you can put the post. Easy peasy.
Mm-hmm.
And then
this has like a little foot stand. Okay.
And this is great because now you can put it anywhere you want in the yard.
Mm-hmm.
You just put this into
the ground.
You push it into the ground. And
then you just mount it to the stand and you're all set. There is an app that you can download to your phone, and you can live stream the birds as they're in their house, and you can even take video and photos of them. Really amazing. So guys, this comes with a really easy to follow user manual. You can just click on the QR code and it gives you super easy to follow instructions, and it tells you how to download the app onto your phone so that the camera can then send the images to your phone and you can watch it very easily. But I wanted to show you another feature which is very cool. On the side here, you can unlatch this, and that will allow you to open up this little door here. And what happened was when I first got this product came with 2 of these sheets. And it's basically so that it's nice and clean on the bottom of this birdhouse, because birds love a clean area to create their nests. So I wiped it out with a little bit of a paper towel, even though it was already clean. I used one of the white sheets that they gave. And this is also a good idea to come check later on once the birds, leave for the season. You can kind of clean it out and freshen it up for when they come back. And then I'm going to close this up, okay, and I'm going to latch it again. It also comes with a few different size holes in case you have smaller birds that you're looking to attract, or whether there's birds that you like that are larger. You can also pop in one of the adaptive holes that will give you a larger size hole for larger size birds that might be in your neighborhood. Okay, and that's it.
It's so fun to see the natural progression of the birds as they're building their nest out in this Birddy birdhouse.
So I hope you guys enjoy this product as much as Sheldon and I and my family do. And I will put some of the details of where to purchase this in descriptions below. And I will see you guys in the next video. So I hope you guys love this product. So I hope you guys love this product as much as Sheldon and I do. And I will put
QR code.
Q what?
QR code.
Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and please say hi to us over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page. You can also find us on TikTok, and I made a whole bunch of podcasts for you. You can find those wherever you listen to your podcast, and know that I made a whole bunch of online flower courses for you with easy to follow tips on how to grow beautiful flowers just like these in your own gardens. I will put all of those in descriptions below, and please also let me know where you're viewing this from in this great big beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. Also check out our Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world, and they're asking and answering loads of garden questions over there. And know that YouTube has allowed me to have a super thanks button attached to this channel. And if you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee or let us know if you appreciate these videos, that would be terrific. Or you could just give us a like or a comment below. I would appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next video.